Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching this from. Thanks to everybody who have been subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button below and turn on post notification to get notified whenever I post any news. There's a rumor ongoing that Dr. Stella Emmanuel is a fraudster. There's a video that went viral online saying that she did business with some Nigerian people and the business is claimed to be a fraud. There's a video going viral which was done by an unknown woman, but she gave details of how Dr. Emmanuel Dr. Emmanuel Stella introduced her and some other persons to the business, and the business is not working. She actually says Dr. Stella is a fraud. For those who don't understand who Dr. Stella is the woman who allegedly made a viral video talking about coronavirus and the vaccine that would be able to cure the virus. She's a renowned pastor and a known doctor in Austin, Texas, where she runs a clinic for herself. Watch the video and see what the person has to say about Dr. Stella Emmanuel.
Good afternoon, fellow Nigerians, to the world at large. Today is 20th day of July 2020. I'm glad and happy that I could do this video. I was hoping that a day like this will come. That was why I kept all these products intact. That there will be a day that I'm going to talk about this concerning fraudsters we have in our countries. I came across this viral video that went throughout the world this morning, concerning the so-called Pastor Dr. Stella Emmanuel. I am telling you, this woman is a fraudster. She is a fraudster. She came to Nigeria 2007 to 2008 precisely. I think I could remember the year. She brought this business idea to us in Nigeria. We thought it was going to be a legitimate one and we're going to be successful about it. But at long run, she introduced the business to us. Before you could join, you need to register. We registered. We bought website of 120,000. This is a product, is a router. We call it a router from Global Links. I think they are based in US. She was based in US. She brought the routers to Nigeria for us as a device to be connected to make free calls. But after doing that, we thought it's going to work in Nigeria, but she did not even get our findings right. But we thought that she has done that with all the networks, to connect with the networks so that all these things, gadgets, can work for us. And we all ventured into this business. Everybody is seeking one way or the other to be successful. Investing a huge amount of money. Each router costs 44,000 naira. 44,000 naira. And for you to register, you are meant to buy 10 pieces of this product. 10 pieces. 10, that is 440,000. 440,000 of this product as a registered member. And you're going to buy a website of 120,000 naira. And other things involved. I lost about 980,000 naira to this business that she brought. 900 without any kobo, any dime on this. She went back, when people started complaining, they said this thing is not working, it is not working. And funny enough, before she came in through all these big churches. That was the most painful part. That was why everybody got involved. She came in through Revival Assembly, through Mountain of Fire. I could remember the first training I had was at Revival Assembly. Governor, pastored by Pastor Anselm Madubuko. He was a pastor, and we all went for the training, and that was how everybody everybody was very happy that it's a church, she's one of God, and so everybody believed in her, not knowing it was something else. And we all have series of trainings at all these mountains. I can remember another one at at the back gate of Unilag, the Mountain of Fire. There is a big church. You know, she came in through all these churches and everybody thought it was a legitimate business. And all of a sudden, she just, after people started complaining that it's not working, she went to thin hair. We could not even locate her. We could not communicate with her. Everything, she got us disengaged from the network. We could not get in touch with her. And just as God will have it, I just saw a video this morning, that went viral. And I said, oh, this the same Madam Stella that came to Nigeria. I said, no, this must not go. I have to bring out this issue. I need to let the world know about her eating moves. She is a fraudster. She will just, that is her sweet mouth. You can see how she's just blabbing. She has a sweet coated mouth. She's just like that. She's a devil incarnate. Look at her. She called herself a pastor Mrs. And even I was supposed to have 10 of these. She gave me 7. She said she's going to give me back three pieces of each. You can see. She's still owing me 3 pieces, but I don't even need it because I know that it's not working. I know how much I suffered. I suffered for 2 years concerning this, the money I lost. A money I was supposed to invest in a business. She got it. She used one way or the other, to sweet talk us, and we went into this business. You can see, please, this woman is a fraudster. Let us all be mindful of our moves. Please, I was so happy that I could see her face this morning. I said, oh, so you again, you have resolved it. So thank God I'm alive. Like, I'll be able to do this video. That was why I'm doing this video. Please, I want this, and I think I'll let this video go viral so that people can know the type of woman she is. She's a fraudster. She is a fraudster. Pastor, you're this so-called, you call yourself a pastor. I don't see you as a pastor. But if you have a pastor, you'll have gotten in touch with all your people that you sold these things to get to know how well they're doing. For the past, since 2007 to 2008, this happened. So look at the years. I know how much I suffered because of the money I lost concerning my business. I know, but you will not go without being punished. I know that God will surely vindicate me about this. Thank you.
Thanks for watching the video. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks to everybody who have been subscribing so far. Click the subscribe button below and turn on post notification to get notified whenever I post any information. Thank you.